Jackass himself. Hey, slow down in this neighborhood, buddy. You got a license for that?
Howdy. Dude, have you still not fixed this piece of shit from that big crash in the last video?
No.
No, dude, this thing's fucking hanging loose.
Dude, I got back fucking last night.
I got back last night. Sounds like an excuse to me. Dude, 92 is gonna be roosting 394 out there.
Next joke, bro. Hello. Hello. No.
Bro. Where are we headed today, pal?
Pits.
Good old sand pits.
Ah.
Just rained a shit ton, so it's gonna be fun. These sand tires are gonna be nice. Good thing we kept those on, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it, compadre.
Let's rock and roll, boys.
Dude, this thing's fresh, bro. Fresh off the showroom floor, dude. Look at this, 5,000 on her.
No way.
Brand new, dude. Look at this.
Come on.
4,900 on the dash. Peep that.
Damn. Freshy, bro.
Dude, freshy.
Pizzas.
What's the weather report looking like?
Wet and sandy.
Sand's looking alright. Looks like it's clearing up out there.
There's gonna be some puddle action in there for sure.
Yeehaw. Dude,
We made it.
Dude, SRS. Straight repping for our boy Dorman, dude.
Let's go, Dorman.
Guy's gonna be in recovery remission for quite a bit, but you know,
He'll be on here soon.
he'll be coming. That YZ250 will be barking soon enough. Guy's already geared up. I don't even got my boots on.
Quick.
Settle down there.
Toes, bro.
Dude, settle down there, Space Ranger. Dude, 92. Looking good now. What do you think? Think of the fresh graphics.
That's alright.
It's alright. Gonna get dirty today. Dude, I might have to roost 394 over here.
Yeah, root, bud.
Dude, see this? See that? You're gonna be seeing a lot of it today, pal. Old 394 here, lining up for the whole shot. All right, 3, 2, 1. Woo! 350 got some bark to her. What was that? You gotta line it up again. What? Line it up again.
This might be too deep.
No, you're good. Yep. Bro! This fucking guy, man. Just wait. Just ride her down, ride her down. Look at this fucking guy. guy's fucking reckless on the pipe.
Freshy, bro.
We gotta pull this back, do a bit of maintenance here.
We need a shovel and a rake.
We do need a shovel and a rake. We're lacking out here.
Oh yeah.
Next project?
When did it get so hot?
Dude, I don't know, man. Sun came out,
Sweating, bro.
scorching. Hitting this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm liking that. All right, let's see it, big dog. Oh, we found a shovel, dude. Look at this. Oh, man. That's looking like a booter. Guy's been putting in work. Oh, there goes the sun. All right, you know what they say? You built it, you hit it. All right, give her a rip. Let's see it. Not bad. It looks like it's got a lot of pop. He barely even touched it. See it again. Oh my god.
Greasy. Oh yeah.
Oh, coming in hot.
For the greasers, dude.
Oh man, this jump is so nice. Perfect.
Dude, that thing hits so sick.
Oh dude, you greased it like every time. Every time you kept hitting it, you just kept getting more pop on it.
Yeah.
I think the jump needs a little rework.
Oh yeah.
We're starting to blow it out so fast.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Want to take the old 125 for a rip?
Oh yeah, let me go on that. Yep.
Let's see it. Jesus. You know how to ride one of those, pal?
Yeah, I'm not really used to having a carburetor.
Yeah, well, be careful, it'll bite you.
Sure.
Singing it. Well, what do you think?
I don't know how you ride this thing. It's like a scared cat.
Sounds pretty good.
I'm always in the wrong gear and shit. I don't know how to ride it.
Yeah, well, I think we need to get you on one. That's what I think. Hey, Ali.
Hey.
How was 394 running today? Dude, shout out to U-Haul, man. Truck share. Dude, 24/7. What would we do without them?
Dude, truck share, yo, 24/7.
Dude, we don't even live in Arizona, but they're coming through clutch. Dude, who's this fine young lady on the side? Is that your kind of woman?
Whoa, that's my lady. Hey. Well, hit your head. Don't do it. Dude. Don't do it.
No, dude, I'm gonna put this thing through the side of the U-Haul.
Honestly,
I get insurance. See how it's done, pal. All loaded up. All right. Oh, what do we have here? C12, boy.
Smell you, bud.
Peace.
Damn.
Told me again.
Yes, sir. Well, thanks for watching, folks. We had fun making this one. And like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next week. Peace.